Hello students. In this video we're going to show you, or in this video series I should say, we're going to show you an application of indices called scientific notation. And what indices are used for here is to represent really large numbers and really small numbers in a really efficient way. So for example, let's have a look at the mass of the sun in kilograms. So the mass of the sun in kilograms is that. Now that number's, oh, I can't even say it, I don't think. I'll give it a try. Let's see, every 9 zeros is a billion, so that's a billion, a billion, a billion. So we could say the mass of the sun is 2,000 billion, billion, billion kilometers. But that's a very hard number to remember, and when you're writing it down, it's very easy to miss a zero. So we'd like a better way of writing the mass of the sun than writing it out as a number. Similarly, looking at really small numbers, that's the mass of a proton in kilograms, and I'm not even going to try to say what that number is in words. So we can use indices, index notation, to write these numbers in a much easier to understand method. Now, here's what scientific notation looks like. It's going to be a number between 1 and 10, and it can actually be a 1, so you could have 1 times 10 to the power of 6, but we don't write it as a 10. If there's a 10 there, we can actually turn it to a 1 and just change the power. So a number between 1 and 10 multiplied by a power of 10. And that is definitely a much easier way to write the mass of the sun rather than writing it out in full. Okay, in the next video, we'll show you how to write large numbers using scientific notation.